Hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to find or check whether a number is Amstrad number or not in Python. So let's get started. So currently have here an empty idle project over here. So before going to this video, let me show you what is an Amstrad number. So Amstrad number is a number which whose sum of digits when cubed and sum will returns the same number. So I will show you an example. For example, 153 is an Amstrad number and 370 is an Amstrad number. So it's just simple. If you just split this number 1, 5 and 3, cube of 1 is 1 and cube of 5 is 125 and cube of 3 is 27, and if sum this 3, you will be getting 126 plus 23, you will be getting 153. That is a number itself. So this number is known as an Armstrong number. Same in case of 370. For 370, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 0 is 0. So 27 plus 343 will give you 370. And another examples are 371 and 407. You can check that check. So simple thing, we will just split the given number into individual digits, cube them, sum them, check with the original number. So this is what we are going to do. Now let us go in the video. And first thing, we need to get the input from the user. Okay. So let NO be the number. Okay. NO equal to int of input. Let's just enter a number. Okay, that's good. And here we will be using sum. Okay, sum. So sum will assign sum to 0. Okay. So let us have a while loop because we will be just iterating through the number. So we're going to split into digits and we'll be getting the sum. So the number will be split into each digit and it will ultimately become 0 at the end. So when it becomes 0, it will just come out of the loop. Okay. So that's why you are checking number greater than 0. I hope it's somewhat blank for you now. But once I've done the code, I will explain it by giving an example and you will be fully clear at the time. So number greater than NO will be greater than 0. Okay. Number greater than 0, and here we will be splitting into digits. So first let r be that split digit. Okay, r equal to number mod 10. Okay, number mod 10. So mod 10 basically will return the remainder. Okay, for example 12 mod 10 will be 2 and 13 mod 10 will be 3, like that. It just gives the remainder. Okay, so by this way we will be getting the digit. As you can see here, 12 mod 10 will gives us 2. We are able to get the last digit. So that's why we are doing modulus. So after getting the digit, we need to cube it. Okay, cube it and put that value into the sum. So let us have sum equal to sum plus r cube. So it's going to be r asterisk r. Okay, so this is where we are doing the cube, and this is why I'm assigning sum equal to 0 at first, because we are going to do this sum continuously for the many number of times the digit has. For example, if the 3-digit number, like for example 153 is a 3-digit number, we will be doing this same sum 3 times. So if it's a 4-digit number, we'll be doing it 4 times. So depends on that, we will be adding it repeatedly. So that's why we need to assign sum. Otherwise, it will be getting added garbage value at the beginning. So to avoid that, it's always good to assign sum equal to 0, whatever is the program. Okay, so we are done with the second step, and another line is so after splitting the digit, okay, last digit, we need to we need to remove the digit from the number itself. So for that, what we do is we need to assign the number itself. So it will be no equal to no slash 10. Okay, you need to know the difference. So it's actually not slash 10, it's double slash 10 in Python. Okay, I will also explain it that after some time. So what we are doing is we need to remove the digit. For example, here we have considered 153. Okay, 153 will be the number itself. Number will be 153. 153 mod 10, we will be giving 3 as the remainder. Okay, because 150 is divisible. So we have found 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube is done, and we will be getting here 27. Sum will be 27. So after that, we need to change this 153 into 15, because we have done with 3. We need to put 15 over here and do the sum, and we need to get the sum cube of 5. Okay, we need to go for 5 because that's the next digit. So how to break this 153 into 15? So that's what we are doing in this line, in this code. What we are doing is we are just giving the quotient. Okay, so 153, just keep it a slash. Okay, just keep it a slash, because its slash is common in C, C++, Java. Only the double slash comes into play in Python. So 153 slash 10. Okay, just assume it as, okay, I will put double slash itself. The only difference between slash and double slash is that double slash will give you the quotient in a whole number, whereas single slash will give you a decimal number. So that's the difference. So if you put 153 slash 10, it will give me 115.3. So that's the main difference. in Python especially, but double slash gives the whole number as a divisor. So it will be equal to 15. Okay, we are giving a whole number, so it's going to be 15. So this is what we are doing. So this line, this code basically breaks our 3-digit number into 2-digit number and omits the last digit, and it just breaks, helps us into splitting into the digits. Okay, so that's the code. Okay, these 3 lines are the important code. So after this, it's just simple stuff. Okay, no semicolon. 10. Okay, and then it's just simple. You need to check. Okay, if you check the final sum equal to number. Okay, but there is a problem here, because at the end of this loop our number value will be 0, because we are condition terminated less, like at the end our number will be 0. So this loop terminates and will come here, so number no will be 0. So for that, what we will do is we need to assign this number into some, our number into some temporary value. So t equal to number, so let's assign like that, and let us put t over here. And if sum is equal to t, we are going to just print it as an Armstrong number, and else part we will be just printing it as not Armstrong number. Okay, I just typed out. That's the code over here. Now I will just explain it how this works. So let's see. I have shown you a demo for 153. I will go with 330. Okay. So let 370. Sorry, 370. 370 will be the Armstrong number. It's going to be input from the user. So 370 will be the input. It will go here. So t is equal to number. So our t will be equal to 370 over here. Okay, just leave it there. It will go here. Number is 370. 370 is greater than 0. It is fine. It will go r equal to number mod 10. So it will be r equal to. So this is doing the first iteration. Okay, I'll put this 1. R equal to 370 mod 10. So 370 mod 10 is perfectly divisible. It will be 0. Okay, so that's fine. So r will be 0, and our first sum will be sum equal to sum value is 0 at first. 0. So sum will be 0 plus 0. Sum will also be 0. So 0, and this line will go to the next line. Okay, and it will be like number equal to number double slash 10. As I told you earlier, number double slash returns the quotient. So our number will get modified. So number will be number equal to 370 double slash 10 will give you 37. So our number value will be now 37 and not 370, but t will remain 370 because it's outside the while loop. So it will again go here. This time our number is 37. Okay, not 370. So 37, and again goes here. So this is for the second iteration. Okay, so r equal to 37 mod 10. Okay, and here we will be getting the remainder as 7, as you know here, 7. So it will again go sum equal to already sum was 0 because of last time we got our digit as 0. So this time second iteration, sum equal to 0 plus 0 plus and r cube. So our r is 7, so it will be 0 plus 7 cube, which is going to be 343. So that's good. Our sum will be equal to 343 then. And doing the next iteration, again we have done with 7. We need to split 37 into 3. So that's the same condition. Number equal to double slash. So number will be equal to 37 double slash 10, which will give you 30. 30 is divisible, so 7 will be the remainder. Throw 7 away. 3 is our quotient, so we are getting 3. So number is 3. Again go here. 3 is greater than 0. Third iteration, we are the third iteration. Okay, r equal to 3 mod 10. 3 mod 10 will give you 3. Okay, it's not 0, it's 3. So 3 mod 10, r value will be 3, and again go here. We'll go to the sum. Okay, and sum equal to our previous sum was 343, and it's not 0, 343. So 343 plus r cube. R value is 3. Cube of 3 is 27. 27 will be equal to 370. So that's done over there. And here we are having only one digit. So here is the main part. Our number will be equal to 3 double slash of 10. Double slash of 10 is 0. Okay, so you need to be careful over here. Or any number like 3 mod 10 is 3, and 3 double slash 10 is 0. So you need to be careful over that. So finally our number becomes 0. It will go over here. So 0 less than 0 condition is false, and our while loop is getting terminated. So at the end our sum will be equal to 370. It will go here. So it will check for 370 equal to temporary number is 370. So this is where our temporary number comes into play, because our number initial number that we have got from the user will become 0. Otherwise you can just use assign temporary number and use temp over here and just use number. It's just your choice, but you know, use a temporary variable at the end. So 370 equal to 370, it's true, and finally our Amstrad number will be getting printed. So I hope you understand this. Now let me run this code and show you. Okay, these are comments. Okay, comments, so no problem. Run module. Okay, so enter a number. I will put 370. I'm getting it as Amstrad number. Let us say another non-Amstrad number also. I will put 100. 100 is not an Amstrad number, so I'm not getting a non-Amstrad number. And final try, I will put another Amstrad number that we haven't tried, 407. 407 is 4 cube, 64 plus 0 plus 343. I'm getting it as an Amstrad number. So that's it for this code. I hope you would understand. And mine is a programming channel. I've done tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, Blender, 3D animation in Blender, Unity. So it will be really great if you subscribe and check other videos of my channel. And thanks for watching.